Cindy here, physical therapist with Adaptive Equipment Corner. Today we're going to do an unboxing video on a brand new product called the PROFLex Strap by Vive. Now this is a 2-in-1 leg lifter and exercise strap. Full disclosure, this product was actually designed by me, so I'd like to show you how to put it together for use. So let's get started. So the PROFLex strap comes in a very nice box. It is folded inside here. So we're going to open this up. And inside, again, it is folded in a plastic bag here. You have a nice little instruction manual here, shows different exercises for the PROFLex strap. So we're going to open up this plastic bag here and then bring the PROFLex out. Okay, so as we are bringing it out here, we've got a few pieces in here that I want you to pay attention to. So right here in the middle is going to be your foot piece, and then inside this foot piece is going to be two velcro strips. They're together, so you may miss it as being two, but we're going to pull these two apart. They're stuck pretty good. They're good velcro, so there's two velcro strips here, and then the foot piece. All right, so the PROFLex strap is bent, so what I want you to do, you're going to straighten out the two sides. So this is where the foot piece is going to go, so you're going to straighten out these two sides. So we're just going to take it like this, and we're just going to straighten that out, just like that. So there's one side, and then we're going to turn it around and just straighten it out, straighten out this one. Good. And then there is the other side. Okay? So now this is where the foot piece is going to go. So we're going to widen this up just a little bit as well. All right? And just kind of bring it around like that. Now, as you notice, this is made of nylon webbing. It's got an aluminum flat piece of strip inside. We've got two sets of handles up here. These are padded a little bit right here on the side of the strap, and then you've got some soft straps up here at the very top as well. So what I'm going to do with one of these pieces of Velcro is I'm just going to put it up here at the top to hold this together. So I'm just going to wrap it around the side here. Whoops, going to wrap it around the side here, just like this. Pull that through. And then I'm going to attach this piece so that it holds it closed for me a minute. Okay, so now we've got that. So next I'm going to take the foot piece. So here's the foot loop, okay? I'm going to actually keep it together, but I'm going to widen it just a little bit like this. All right, and then we're going to take the cushioned part. So down here is where the foot piece is going to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the foot strap and place it right in here, okay? And then I'm going to take the cushion and put it right in here as well, right along the inside of this. I'm going to line it up. And then what I'm going to do is just fold it over, just like this. I'm going to fold it over right along the PROFLex strap, right like that. And then you can take the other side and fold over as well. There we go. So now we have the foot piece on the end. We have the foot loop here. Okay, and that's how you put the PROFLex strap together. So be sure to check out the comment sections below. We're going to put a link to where to get this on Amazon. We're also going to put a link to the video of why I designed this and how I use it. And also stay tuned for another video on the multiple uses of the PROFLex strap. That's it for today from Adaptive Equipment Corner. Have a great day, and don't forget, if you can't do it, adapt it.